The space sector is a space that has been in development for a long time, but now it's increasing the opportunities that it's bringing for different students. I'm studying aerospace engineering, and I think that the accessibility to space every day it's increasing more, and for all the different opportunities that are reaching to young students. I really think that the space is something that you don't need to be afraid of, because at the end it's the new opportunity for us to, as humankind, to be able to look for more opportunities and to be able to look for what is farther than our expectations can be on Earth. So space studies and more with the new projects that are being developed with, apart from sustainability, from the new engineering methods that are being applied, it's every time easier to understand how this sector is going to impact our future. So that's why I would recommend all this sector to every type of students, not only engineering, but any type of marketing, law, because at the end space is not only engineers. At the end space is also law, it's also chemistry, it's also physics. So I would encourage to work on the space sector. I work on a satellite team here in the University of Padova, and we are learning so much. It's something that really open-minds you and help you understand more how is space, how is Earth, and all the things that these studies can bring to you as a student and as a person and as a future expert of the sector.